Hello ma'am, hello sir. I'm Arceli Balon Diploma, 39 years old, married. I have 3 kids, 2 boys and 1 girl. I have 2 sisters and I'm the youngest in the family. I work in Kuwait for 2 years. I also work in the Philippines for 2 years. I work in Kuwait for when I where were no children in that family because all of them are grown up. And the youngest child was 12. And then I work in the Philippines. It is where I took care children. And my boss, one is a 1 month old girl and another one is 3 years old girl. I love baby and growing up baby. I can take care of them by making milk, clean the bathroom, playing, bathing, change the diaper and clothes, and help them sleep. I want to work in Hong Kong, more money to help my husband prepare to another future for our children. I would love to take care children in Hong Kong. I can do household chores like also cleaning, ironing, washing, and willing to learn the Hong Kong procedure. And then I'm hardworking and patient. I hope you like me, ma'am. Thank you and have a nice day.